The Nike Air Force Ones hold a significant place within sneaker culture, transcending generations and leaving a lasting mark on fashion. This video explores the captivating history of the Air Force One, exploring its groundbreaking design, the inspiration behind its creation, the marketing strategies employed to promote it, its profound cultural impact, and its extensive range of colorways and collaborations. This video will uncover the story behind the most popular shoe ever created, and since a push product we just don't talk about these influential topics, we will be designing our very own Air Force One. So stay until the end of this video if you want to check out how that comes out. The Air Force Ones is a design created by renowned footwear designer Bruce Kilgore. Kilgore aimed to develop a basketball shoe that would revolutionize the game, incorporating innovative technology and comfort. In 1982, Air Force One was introduced to the market. Kilgore's design approach was truly groundbreaking. The shoe incorporated Nike's pioneering air cushioning technology, providing unmatched support and shock absorption. With its high-top silhouette and distinctive pivot point outsole pattern, the Air Force One offered enhanced traction and maneuverability on the basketball court. A return to the roots of the Air Force One also called for a return to richer leather, which creases in a more natural fashion. It's really like a high-quality basketball glove that gets better as you wear it. That was the type of experience that we wanted the consumer to have, says Tolliver. The process of remastering the Air Force One also involved refining the legendary swoosh logo. As Tolliver's team combed the Nike archives, they began to notice subtle differences in the shape of the logo itself. Being that my category works on shoes like the Nike Blazer and the Air Force One, we've had a chance to really dig deep into our company's history. And there wasn't really much consistency with the swoosh back then. The team ultimately decided to take inspiration from the 1983 Air Force One, which features a retro-looking swoosh logo, unlike those found on the style today. This retro-inspired logo adds a touch of nostalgia and connects the Air Force Ones to its iconic past. Sarah Johnson, a sneaker historian and design expert, emphasized the Air Force One's significance by saying, "The Air Force One was a game changer in the sneaker industry. Its combination of innovative technology and stylish design set a new standard for basketball shoes. The air cushioning provided unmatched comfort and support, and the unique silhouette became instantly recognizable." Although initially intended as a basketball shoe, the Air Force One gained immense popularity when it transitioned into the realm of street culture. Former basketball players turned hustlers embraced the shoe for its style and durability, propelling it into the spotlight of hip-hop fashion. Hip-hop artists play a crucial role in popularizing the Air Force Ones on the streets. In 1988, Easy Rock featured on the cover of the album It Takes Two, adorned customized Nike Air Force One trainers designed by the legendary Harlem fashion designer Dapper. This collaboration, coinciding with hip-hop's golden age, solidified the shoe's place within the community. To gain insight into the inspiration and cultural impact of the Air Force Ones, we consulted with Michael Thompson, a sneaker historian and cultural commentator. Thompson shared his perspective by saying, "The Air Force One's inspiration came from its ability to seamlessly blend basketball performance with street style. It was the shoe that transcended boundaries, appealing to the athletes, musicians, and fashion enthusiasts alike. The Air Force One became a canvas for self-expression, with its versatile design lending itself to customization and personalization. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its cultural significance and its ability to capture the spirit of a generation." Nike's marketing strategies play a pivotal role in transforming the Air Force Ones into a cultural phenomenon. Recognizing its potential, the company aligned the shoe with influential athletes and celebrities, leveraging the star power to captivate the masses. In 1982, Nike launched the first Air Force One ad campaign, featured basketball legends such as Moses Malone, Michael Cooper, Jamal Wilkes, Bobby Jones, Michael Thompson, and Calvin Natt. The star-studded endorsement highlighted the shoe's performance capabilities, associating it with the pinnacle of sports excellence. As Michael Cooper stated, wearing the Air Force Ones wasn't just about style, it was about dominating the game and leaving a long-lasting legacy on the court. The marketing efforts extended beyond the basketball court, with hip-hop artists incorporating the Air Force Ones into their lyrics and music videos. Nelly's 2002 hit single Air Force Ones served as an anthemic homage to the classic shoe, solidifying its cultural relevance and further propelling it into the mainstream. Additionally, Additionally, exclusive Air Force One's collaborations with hip-hop royalty, including Jay-Z Rockefeller Records, Eminem's Shady Records, and Fat Joe's Terror Squad, heightened the shoe's influence and appeal within the hip-hop community. The Air Force One's cultural impact is immeasurable. Its influence extends far beyond the sneakerhead community, shaping streetwear culture, fashion trends, and artistic expression. The shoe became a canvas for customization, inspiring artists and designers to create unique and limited edition versions. The Air Force Ones has also made an impact on the music scene beyond hip-hop. In recent years, the shoe has gained significant attention from pop sensations such as Billie Eilish. Eilish, known for her distinctive style and fearless self-expression, has been spotted wearing the Air Force Ones on multiple occasions. Her affinity for the shoe has also resonated with her fans, who often emulate her fashion choices. Eilish's embrace of the Air Force Ones reinforces its status as a symbol of individuality and creative expression in contemporary culture. Collaborations with influential figures and creatives have elevated the Air Force One's status, propelling it into the realms of luxury and high fashion. In 2014, Nike collaborated with fashion designer Riccardo Tisci, marking a watershed moment in Air Force One's history. Tisci, known as one of the world's most celebrated fashion designers, created a pack of 4 Air Force Ones, becoming the first fashion designer to create their own signature shoe for Nike. This collaboration demonstrated that working directly with fashion designers could produce amazing, covetable results. One of the key factors that contributed to Nike Air Force One's enduring popularity is its extensive range of colorways and collaborations. Throughout its history, Nike has released numerous iterations of the Air Force Ones, each with its own unique color palette and design elements. The Air Force One has seen a wide array of color combinations, from classic monochromatic options to vibrant and bold schemes. Some of the most iconic colorways include the triple white and the triple black editions, which feature a clean and minimalist look that has become synonymous with the Air Force One's timeless appeal. In addition to the classic colorways, Nike has collaborated with various artists, designers, and other brands to create limited edition versions of the Air Force Ones. These collaborations have resulted in striking colorway combinations and innovative design elements that have captured the attention of sneaker enthusiasts around the world. For example, the collaboration between Nike and Off-White, led by designer Virgil Abloh, introduced a deconstructed aesthetic to the Air Force Ones. The Off-White Air Force One sneakers featured exposed stitching, text overlays, and unique color blocking, creating a distinct and highly sought-after look. Another notable collaboration is the Travis Scott Air Force One, which showcases the rapper's signature style and incorporates elements inspired by his music and personal brand. The sneakers often feature bold color combinations, removable swoosh logos, and unique materials like canvas or suede. The Air Force Ones has amassed a collection of nicknames throughout its history. Among the most common monikers are Uptowns. You had to go uptown to get them. The Harlems, the Uppies, usually referencing the shoe's initial availability primarily in upstate New York City. In its early years, the Air Force One was also referred to as Airs, or simply Ones, emphasizing its iconic status within the Nike lineup. These nicknames reflect the deep connection between the Air Force Ones and the communities that embraced it. They served as a language of their own, uniting sneaker enthusiasts and providing a sense of belonging and shared identity. In the ever-evolving story of the Air Force Ones, there's a chapter that revolves around the influential artist Kanye West. His involvement in the journey of the Air Force Ones showcases the shoe's ability to inspire and collaborate with visionary creators, pushing the boundaries of art and fashion. It all began in 2006, when Rob Stone, the founder of Cornerstone, embarked on a mission to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Air Force One with a special track. Stone's vision was to bring together a star-studded lineup of MCs to create a posse cut that would capture the essence of the shoe's cultural significance. To produce the track, the first choice was none other than Rick Rubin, a legendary producer known for his work in both rap and rock music. Rubin's involvement in the production of Rum DMC's iconic track, My Adidas, 2 decades earlier, made him a natural fit for this project. However, the initial version of the track, which sampled George Benson's Give Me the Night, didn't resonate with the artists involved. Recognizing the need for a more traditional hip-hop sound, Stone reached out to DJ Premier, a renowned producer known for his work with Gang Starr and his contributions to albums like the Notorious B.I.G.'s Ready to Die and Life After Death. DJ Premier took Rubin's original version and remixed it, adding his signature touch to the beat and creating a track that captured the essence of hip-hop. The finished song, titled Classic, Better Than I've Ever Been, DJ Premier remix, became a hit, and Nike needed to build buzz around it. On December 10, 2006, Nike organized an industry event at Gotham Hall, where the track was debuted to a star-studded audience. Kanye West, Nas, KRS-One, and Rakim took the stage, rocking premium pairs of Air Force Ones and captivating the crowd with their performance. After the event, Nike's CEO Mark Parker and Kanye West flew together on a private jet, discussing their shared vision for the future. This encounter marked the beginning of a creative partnership that would lead to the birth of the Nike Air Yeezys 1, Kanye's signature shoe. 14 months later, the world caught its first glimpse of the Air Yeezys 1. Kanye, who had just celebrated the past with the Air Force One's anniversary track, was now shaping the future of fashion and sportswear with a fusion of his artistic vision and Nike's design expertise. Kanye wore a wear test sample of the shoe at the Grammy Awards in 2008. Further fueling the frenzy, Nike deliberately held back the official release, building anticipation and creating an air of exclusivity around the shoe. The success story of Kanye's album Graduation and his dominance at the 50th Grammy Awards only heightened the buzz around the Air Yeezy ones. Although Classic, Better Than I've Ever Been, was nominated for a Grammy, it ultimately lost to one of Kanye's other songs. But the nomination itself showcased the significance of the Air Force Ones, and it highlighted the unique intersection of music, art, and advertising that this campaign represented. Kanye's involvement in the Air Force One's story exemplifies how an artist can influence and shape the trajectory of a cultural icon. His collaboration with Nike paved the way for future artistic partnerships and demonstrated the power of bridging the worlds of fashion, sports, and music. To celebrate its 40th anniversary, artists like Billie Eilish are now driving its forward movement. The Air Force One remains a symbol of innovation, self-expression, and cultural significance, reminding us that sometimes the more things change, the more they stay the same. As promised, here's the Push Product Nike Air Force One unofficial collaboration. I wanted to keep the minimalist aesthetic of the shoe while still using some of the Push Product graphic elements. So let me know in the comments if this is something you would cop. The Nike Air Force One's journey from a basketball shoe to a cultural icon has been nothing short of remarkable. Its groundbreaking design, cultural relevance, and extensive range of colorways and collaborations have solidified its place in sneaker history. The Air Force One's enduring popularity demonstrates its ability to transcend time and remain as a symbol of self-expression, style, and authenticity. As we look into the future, it's clear that the Air Force One will continue to captivate and inspire generations to come.